What's one thing you regret not doing this year?
Honestly, not starting my YouTube channel earlier. I kept doubting myself.
I'm going to share with you in this video just two methods in which you can use Google VEO 3 for free for good 12 months with no subscription, no credit cards, no login details, and no VPN. Without wasting much time, let's just get straight into the video.
So you first of all need to come here and type Google Vid. Okay, so guys, I promise you I will tell you the reason why this might not be working on your side. Stick around with me to the end of this video. I'm going to tell you how you can solve that problem. So one thing you need to note is that your phone needs to be on a desktop side. Okay, why do I say that? That's because we are using a smartphone to access those sites and not a laptop, right? Okay, let's say I turn off this desktop side and we try to access it. You are going to see the error message that is actually going to come up. So I'll just pick one of my email address. You can see, want to create a video, go to vid.google.com on a computer, right? So that is why I actually on this desktop site so we could access it. Okay, so you click on this vid. Okay, when you click here, I could just type something like couples holding hands in a mud while kissing each other and also touching each other. Okay, let's click here to create it. So we are just going to wait for this video to be done creating. So as you can see, we have successfully downloaded our video. Let's play and see. Can you see? So this
Love you
is
so much.
okay. Can you see? So this is according to the prompt we gave it.
Love you so much.
What you just need to do, just to long press it here and click here to download this video right inside your
Love you so
phone
much.
gallery. Just click here to open it, and when I open it, this is the
Love you
video
so much.
here. Right, so according to
This
the
is so
prompt,
much
I
fun.
I know, right?
Look at your
now this
face.
one I downloaded first. Mind you can create as many video as you want. Okay, you can just say a man holding a camera while videoing himself and talking while rain drops on him. Guys, I just do this for the purpose of this tutorial, so you really don't need to expect me to like bring that kind of prompt. Okay, so this is our video. Let's just preview
Really coming
this
down
video
now,
and
but
see. Can you see?
it's really coming down now, but I wanted to finish this thought for
It's
you all.
looking so realistic. So what you don't need to do, just to long press
It's really
it
coming
and
down
click
now,
here
but
to
I
download
wanted to
your
finish this
video
thought
right
for you all.
into your phone, guys. Okay, so just head over to your browser, come here and type Google Cloud Skill Boost. So when you type here, first of all, for you to be able to access this site, make sure your phone is on a desktop side since we are not using a laptop. Okay, so you click on this very first option here. So when you click here, you come here to this what do you want to learn today. So go ahead and click on generative AI. So when you click on the generative AI, you are going to see something like this one, the second one, generative AI with vertex prompt design. You click on that. So when you click on that, see this option here, sign in or join. You click on that. So you come here to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one. I have a Google account already. So when it comes up, you can see something like Start Lab. You can see it here. So you go ahead and click on the Start Lab. then you confirm that you are not a robot. One good thing about the site is that you have unlimited access to create videos for free in 12 months. That is 1 whole year. So sometimes when you click on that start lab, you see an option that comes up quickly, not this one, for you to start accessing the view 3. And sometimes if you click on it, you are going to experience something like this. So you just need to wait for 3 minutes for us to be able to access it. You can see this thing, you can see that estimated time remaining 3 minutes. So let's just wait for that 3 minutes to elapse. So one good thing I like about this site is that it generated your video with no watermark. Another thing is that it always give you 45 minutes per generation. What I mean is that, like, let's say you have plenty of videos you can create, so when this 45 minutes elapse, you need to re-sign in again, right, to start generating your video. That's why you're seeing that countdown there. So when it opens, you see the open Google Cloud Console, right? Let's click here to open in a new incognito tab. All right, so when you open that, so you can see something like welcome to your new account. So you just click here to confirm that you understand all this old English. So let's get straight into generating our video. So signing up here, you are going to a little time for it to load. So you see those coming up that you should confirm your city of residence, all those stuff like that. You click here to choose your country. As for me, I'm from Nigeria. You click here to confirm it, and you click here to agree and continue.
In case you come to this stage and you experience any error, let me tell you one thing you need to do. You see a place for you to appeal. So what you just need to do is just to go ahead and click on that appeal method and appeal. So what you need to do is just to put in your date of birth and make sure the date of birth on your Google account is over 18 years, because if you are under 18 years, you won't be able to access this site.
So when you come here, you are just going to see all of these options like this. So the one you need to click is just this red text AI. You click here. So when you click here, you are going to see a lot of options here. So just come right here and click on Media Studio. So when you click on that, just give it a little time for it to actually come up, and boom. Okay, so when it comes here, you see this option here, generate video view. So just go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, you choose your model, VEO 3, VEO 3 fast, VEO 3 preview, VEO 3 fast preview. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on VEO 3 fast. So this number of result, it actually depends on how many video you want each prompt to generate for you. So I'll just leave it at 4 video, because this actually give you a time, like this actually makes you to choose the one that you actually need to go for. So you come to this right prompt here. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste up my scripts here. You just need to hit on this enter button, and let's just wait for our video to be ready. Boom, as the video has actually been successfully generated.
What's one thing you regret not doing this year?
Honestly, not starting my YouTube channel earlier. I kept doubting myself.
You can see how realistic good looking this video is. So just hit on that download button to download your video right inside into your phone gallery. Okay, let me come here and type in flow. All right, flow. If you are trying to access these two sites and you've not been able to do it, the reason might be that you are not on a pro version on this flow, right? So you need to be you need to be a flow pro user for you to be able to access this Google Vid and the other side. But they are not going to take any credit from here, right? But you just need to sign up as a pro, because both of them are working hand in hand. So if you come here, ingredient blah blah blah, okay, let me just click on get started. So if you come here, you can see where my profile picture is, and you can see something like pro. Can you see it here, guys? So this is the account I use, and I still have my credit. I'm not going to touch your credit, but you can see my account right here. So I made a video. Now you can access the Google Pro for free Do you understand? Without paying any money. So let me know in the comment section if you need it, and I'm going to drop that to you right down there in the comment section.
So guys, now that you know how to use Google VEO 3 to create unlimited videos for 12 months, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't also forget to share this video to get to as many persons that might need this kind of information right now. Bye guys, and trust me, I will still keep you guys updated with another method of accessing Google VEO 3. Bye.